to show you a great place to have your iPhone screen fixed if you have broken it before. This is the second time I've broken mine. If you come with your baby, if you have an ergo, you can go up the stairs, or if you have a pram, like me, we'll go here to the elevator. But I'm now standing on the bridge, and if you go down, this is down on the left-hand side, so back here you've got Shibuya Station, and you're walking across the bridge, and down here, down that alleyway, is the mobile phone shop where you can have your iPhone fixed. This is it here, so you'll see this little blue seat out the front, it's called SMART. So it's a SMART sales and repair service. So this is the shop here. I am in the shop, and she's just given me the form to fill in. It's all in Japanese, so basically you fill in your name, address, your phone number.
Je te sucerai tes pensées cosmiques, pour moi ce serait fantastique. Mais je ne suis qu'un pauvre petit gars de rien. Mais